Oh, you had a music school?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Huh? Wow. You're the first person I met with tattoos.
Cover all.
Yeah, you need to cover them up. What about here?
That's okay.
It's he walks around like this. Okay, I'm in Harat. My guide posse left, and I googled and I saw there's so much more I didn't see in this city, and I can't leave without going to see all these amazing antique places and everything. So I called good old Mohammed John from my first tour guide company, and he put me immediately in touch with people. So I'm going to meet people. Yes, shoes. How are you? For weddings? Yes. He's making wedding celebration things. Hello, salam alaikum.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you.
Yes.
Where is you from?
I am from the UK.
UK.
Scotland.
Britannia.
Yes. You're from Herat?
Welcome, I'm from Herat.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you.
Okay. See you soon.
Oh, yes, bye.
Bye.
People are funny.
If you like it, then have.
Lapis sandwich. Wow, amazing things.
You are the first time coming in Afghanistan.
No, my third time.
Third time, yeah.
My first time in Herat though.
Yeah. In Herat is good city.
Yes. Oh, for flowers.
Yeah.
Very intricate.
Yeah.
Is that
this
difficult?
Also, yeah, it's also handmade.
You made it?
Yeah. I will make it these. This I have 5 colors.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And this one is the new design.
Nice. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I take a bit outside, so.
Yeah, uniform. Sorry.
Scotland. Yeah.
Good countries.
How are you?
Good. How are you? What's your name?
Shafi.
Shafi. Nice to meet you. So this shop here. Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You could spend hours just walking up here, checking out the antique shops. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go into this antique shop.
Yes, antique shop.
Afghan antique shop. Here, right across.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to my shop.
Oh, thank you. It's
Are you
beautiful.
okay?
Yeah, thanks. And you?
Very well, thank you.
Wow, you have lots of antiques,
Yes.
huh?
Yes, all old, handmade from
Wow.
Herat. Something is from Ghazni city, from Congo.
What are these square things?
Forbidden for bride. These are
It's
all old. 78
Afghan?
years. Yes,
How old are these?
78 years ago.
Wow.
Metal.
It's bronze?
Yeah.
Wow, so many treasures. Are these all for weddings?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, I love their radios.
Yeah.
Where, from Japan?
Yeah.
What else we got in here? Wow. Old musical instruments.
Vocal music.
Samovar.
Samovar, yes.
Is it Russian samovar?
Yes, Russian.
Yes. You made this?
Yes.
Really? You play it also?
Yes, I can play.
Wedding hats. Oops. More wedding hats. Wow. How's business?
Very good, so not
So.
good. Yes, in here I have a customer.
You have tourists coming?
Yes, sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes, in the morning I had two tourists, one from Ireland, one from England.
Really?
Yeah.
But tourists, you have more tourists now coming? No.
No.
No. Thank you so much.
So what? 1 minute, just I want for you play.
Oh,
Do you like to play for you?
yes.
Before the Taliban to come in the Herat, I have one school with several students.
Oh, you.
Unfortunately, now everything is closed.
Oh, you had a music school?
Yeah, before
Oh,
the Taliban.
wow. Very good. Thank you so much for playing that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Reza.
Rizar.
Yeah, Rizar,
Oh,
yes.
nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Excuse me, madam, you're from?
Scotland.
Scotland.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was Rizar playing it. What's that instrument called?
Rubab.
Rubab.
Rubab, yes. Rubab is
Rubab.
local music from Herat.
Rhubarb.
Special from Herat, yes.
Like rhubarb. Rhubarb. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It was nice to meet you.
I hope
And
see
good
you
luck.
again in the future with your family as a tourist.
You never know.
Okay.
All right, good luck with everything.
Thank you
The Royal Service.
Sometimes I will think I am like US people because all that my life is going with the US people, with the Italian people, with the Spanish people.
Right.
I know also in English, in Spanish language, in
Really?
Italian language.
Yeah.
Come on,
Thank
sit.
you so much.
You're welcome. I will get this free every.
Oh, nice. Sitting here with my taxi driver, we're having a cup of tea.
Hello.
Oh, he's going to bring in some sweets now. Sweets
Herat
with
candy.
tea. Oh, the Herat. I haven't
Yeah.
had Herat candy yet.
This is mixed with the pistachio.
This one?
Yeah, mixed with the
Oh,
pistachio.
some Herat candy. And some Herat tea. Delicious. He's a businessman in
Yeah,
Afghanistan?
he will buy some carpet, he will send it for Germany, for different countries.
Okay.
He's very rich.
Very rich.
Very rich, yeah. You know,
Oh, he
when
sells-
you need some carpet, you have.
Carpet.
Yeah.
So he's rich with carpets. selling.
Kartoffel, kartoffel.
He will send it for different countries.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Nice people. Now I'm full of tea. So this is just another day here. Hello. I'm gonna go to that other hotel and just check it out. This is a nice hotel hidden here. I will have to remember what the name is. But it's very nice. Check it. Hello. Herat Hotel. This is very nice. Hi. How are you? I just had dinner at this nice hotel, which I told you the name of before. And now I'm going back to my not so nice hotel. If I'd known about this one, I would have come here because the Wi-Fi is really good here. And in my hotel, it's not good at all. So, but I think I'm going to book a flight tonight to go back to Kabul. I can't do much here, you know, I like the bazaars and everything after seeing the historical places. But after the Taliban saying I can't do that, then there's nothing really else to see or walk around and talk to people. So I think tomorrow I'll head back to Kabul, back to the cold, I think. So that's me for, I'm going to meet my couchsurfing friend tonight. I need help editing videos because it's another thing here is it's very difficult to edit because you've got to know what the people are saying in the background. I don't want to get anybody in trouble. And a young boy was saying something about some stuff and I don't know, he was going and he was going on about the Taliban. I don't know if he was saying anything bad or something, but you have to be really careful you don't get anybody in trouble with what they're saying in the background. Okay, so it's goodbye from here. So here in Herat, there's an alleyway with a little market that sells kites. So many kids here play with kites, and the famous Afghan book, The Kite Runner. So kites are a big deal here. Let's go see the kites. All these beautiful kites. Wow. Hello. This is kite rope. Is he making the kites? Assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Thank you
You make the kites?
very much.
Oh, you're welcome. What's your name?
My name is Ahmad Nabi.
Nice to meet you. You make the kites?
Ne,
No.
Kabul درست میکنه.
They built it in Kabul, but now it may be some.
Oh, it's torn.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fixing. Ah, very good, very good.
Okay, okay.
Good job. Well, they're just made from paper. They're just made from tissue paper. They must get torn really quickly. Okay. Oh, my name is Emma. Yes. What is your name?
My name is Amidullah.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Sora.
And this is a book.
That's a book, yeah? That's a book.
Ina siya kataw.
Thank you. Funny. So yeah, they have all these amazing kites here. Really cool. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? What is your name?
My name is Jawad.
Jawad. Oh, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you too. Look at the ceilings here. So this whole alleyway here, from the entrance here all the way down, was full of kite shops. But recently, or within the past year, a lot of them have closed down. It used to be full of kites, it is saying. As far as the eye could see down this alleyway, right from the beginning here. Now sadly there's only just a few left. Whenever I'm out somewhere, I always see kids playing with kites. So it's a big thing here, flying kites. So walking down exactly the same street yesterday, and a guy pulled up Eshan and told him that I got arrested yesterday on this street. I wouldn't exactly call it arrested, but they all call it arrested. When they take you, when you get taken by the Taliban for questioning, they call it arrested. So I wouldn't really say I was arrested, but they all do. It's quite funny. Arrested by the Taliban. Second time I've been arrested. Just past the shop where they make all the cradles. So they still use this type of cradles for babies. Another shop over there. Cradle shops. Oh, there's loads of cradle shops. These kind of cradles, which I'm sure are cheap, or you got your basic. Here's your variety of burqas, all different shapes and sizes and colors. Well, the colors vary from blue to blue or blue. I found a real coffee place here in Herat. It's like in a mall, but they won't let me film in the mall. Real coffee and cake. Salam. Ishtani. Having some coffee. That looks like a shot. What is this? Tea?
It's mint tea.
Looks like tequila.
Yeah.
Green tea.
Green tea and espresso. Looks like shots of tequila.
Yeah.
Good?
It smells
Very good. Very good. New friends. They're your friends.
Yeah, it's our
Hi.
Eshan.
Ishtani. Having that, and then in a couple of hours I leave for Kabul on my $60 flight. I was zoomed in, I just noticed. So,
There's some full German.
what's your name again?
Mr. Aria.
Oh, let me see your tattoo.
Tattoos.
Oh, you got lots of tattoos.
Another one.
Whoa.
In this
What does this mean? Yeah, what does that mean?
menu هیچ مزایای وجود نداره همه ما انسانی.
Not religion to all of the world, we all of the human.
Ah, not religious. Okay.
Another is
And what was this one again?
Sex is right in English.
Oh, I can't read it.
Sex is never own it. It says the
rented.
rented and the rent
Rent is due
do
every day.
Oh.
And another one is
Where do you get tattoos done? Here in Harat?
yeah, in Herat.
but now he's
So this is just band? What does it mean?
اسبان زندگی موازی زندگی مساوی.
Wow. You're the first person I met with tattoos.
I like it. Where?
Yes.
you need because the Taliban cover all.
Yeah, you need to cover them up. What about here?
It's okay.
It's he walks around like this. He works in IT. It's so funny. He just bought our coffee. Thank you. Bye. Oh, that was so kind. He was so funny. He just bought coffees to be my guest. So this is where the coffee shop is, in here. Right here. It doesn't have a name, but you can sort of see my surroundings.
Yeah,
It's next to this shop.
it's a Millie Center.
Millie.
Millie Center.
It's Millie Center. Money changer. And some everywhere there's pomegranates. So when you get in a taxi, expect other people to jump in at the same time when it's stopped. Taxi sharing. Going for ice cream in a taxi with some random strangers. Okay, so in this place, what's the name of this place? Is this the name?
Yeah.
This place.
Haji.
Yeah, there. And I have black, he ordered me some black carriages. I never had this before. Wow, it tastes very carroty. It's very strong.
Yeah, it's not strong, but it's not so sweet. Look like that.
And this is the Herat version of Shirak. So it's different. I don't know if it's, let me taste it. It tastes completely different. It has lots of fruit. It has fruit and two different colors. It has yellow and white. And it doesn't taste like soap, like in Bandamir. And it's really good. I just came across some monkeys. Monkeys and chickens. Salam. Oh, look at the baby monkeys here. They're all stuck in with the chickens and ducks and bunny rabbits. Oh, what a shame. Okay, so I'm in a taxi now. I'm going to the airport, and it's supposed to be 500 to the airport. And that was what was agreed when we went, when the hotel picked me up. And now he's trying to tell me it's double than we arranged. So just make sure you set your price with your taxi beforehand, which I did. He doesn't speak English. He's just hand signing that I need to give him double what was arranged. It happens all over the world with the taxis. No different here than any other country. I'm at the airport now. I have a medical assistant here helping me with my luggage. After security. Now I hope I'm not late. My flight is very soon. Okay, I'm at the airport. There's my flight. $60 flight from Herat to Kabul. And it's supposed to be Cam Air, but I don't recognize the plane. Cam Air is different colors. It says Cam Air. It is Cam Air. I think it's just a new plane or a new logo or something. Looks different than the other Cam Air flights. I just didn't recognize the logo on the plane. Maybe they've changed it and this is an update, or maybe this is an old one. I don't know. But it is Cam Air. Cam Air has the most unique airline seat buckles I've ever seen, because it won't go in that way. Last time I was on here, I had to help a lady get out of her. Actually, I had to help her put it on. Now I can't figure out how to put it in myself. So weird. I have to put my camera down to figure this out. So my thoughts are going back to Kabul. I'm kind of glad to be leaving here, actually, because I wasn't comfortable filming anymore after what happened yesterday. It's not worth it. And there's a lot of problems. Apparently the hotel, they come around and check the hotel a lot that I was in. And you know, it doesn't make any difference if you have that permission or not, because they all the Taliban work separately. They're like their own groups, so having the permission means nothing, because they were reading it. And it just, my friend, he had permission to show tourists around, and he's had trouble before too. So that permit, don't take it for granted that that's going to give you access everywhere, because it's not. As I explained what happened yesterday, that permit is just what you get, but each district or whatever, I don't know what even to call it, group, district, random Talibans out on the street, they can still take you to the police station and question you or arrest you or whatever. After that, I was not comfortable filming anymore. That's me heading back to Kabul. Now I'm gonna figure out my seatbelt.